Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel's resistance, and I also want to show you the smaller down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. And recently, the idea that I shared for my members, I was also showing you in my previous video as well. And from this potential reversals on, RNDR has also started the reversal move. I would like to show you this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this recent trade plan that I shared with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guard move that RNDR completed. And before this, RNDR also formed another harmonic bullish reversal setup. Let me just show you that move as well. That was another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that I shared with my members on 12th of September. And before this, RNDR also completed another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley setup on 25th of August that I also shared with my members. Before that, we had this Gartley move. So RNDR is giving us a lot of trading opportunities. Let me just begin with this one or this one as well. This was, by the way, I shared on 29th of March 2022. Sorry, on this candlestick on 27th of March 2022. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. And after this pump, after hitting the sell target zone, moved down. And after that, I shared this idea that was another Gartley. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again had a very nice pump, even very, very huge pump, you can see. And after this idea, I shared this one. And I told my members that after the completion of this final leg, the price line is slightly moved up. Therefore, we can wait for the price line to enter here from 56 cents to 53 cents that I defined. This buying zone and the sell target zone I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley move. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again moved down and completed this leg once again and again. We had another pump, and after hitting this sell target zone, the price line again moved down. And by the way, this is the most recent one that I shared a few days back on 15th of September. And you can see this was our buying zone, this was our sell target zone. The buying zone was from 50.9 cents and goes to approximately 46 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had another nice pump. And here for a while, it moved below then this potential reversal zone, but recovered very soon and then hit the sell target zone here. That was, by the way, more than 26% pump on this daily time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then you can see RNDR is continuously moving inside this down channel for a very long term. You can see it was entered the channel here back in November 2021, and you can see it is continuously making several attempts to break out the resistance of the channel. Here we have also formed a double bottom as well. This is our key support, by the way, that we have at 45 cents. And the price line is not breaking down the support for the past several weeks or months. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here, RNDR has formed another down channel. And you can see on the daily time frame chart, this support zone is more visible. That is from 45 cents to 41.6 cents. And you can see we are having the spikes inside this reversal zone, you can say, or you can call it as a strong support zone. You can see whenever it is, we are having the move between this support zone, the price line is moving up. It is moving up like a spring. And between this support zone and this downtrend line resistance of the channel, the movement is getting more squeezed. And this is the support zone that is now not letting the price line to move more down to test the support of the channel. Soon I'm expecting that it can break out from here, and after breaking out this channel, the target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 80 to 82 cents. And if we take a look at the bigger time frame on the weekly time frame chart, you can see if it moves at 80 cents, then it will be very close to break this key resistance of 85 cents as well. And you can see for the past several weeks or months, this level is working as a strong resistance, and easily it will also break out this resistance of the channel as well. And by the way, the final target after breaking out this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $6.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.